Hi, Brad down here at Friendly Fires again, and you may have read, seen, heard lately the controversy about bristles on barbecue brushes and them coming loose. Well, we got a nice safe solution for you down here at Friendly Fires for you and your family. It's the bristle-free barbecue brush. And let me explain. This is made of cedar, Canadian-made cedar. Why cedar? Cedar holds up outside, unlike other woods. They use vegetable oil when they're making this particular scraper, so it's nice and safe for your family. Now, let's see, how does this work on the grill? Well, simply get your grill nice and hot, and you just push and create score marks on the end of it. So, here's one that we've been using for well over a year here at Friendly Fires, and you can see it's nicely grooved into the barbecue grill. See the ends there? Come down to one of the 4 locations, grab one. One last thing. Why was Rick Springfield so sad?
Why?
Because he wished he had Jesse's grill.